What's up guys, Joey here, Fugatech, and finally, Realme Philippines has launched in the country their smart TVs to bolster the brand's ecosystem. This Android-powered TV comes in 32-inch and 43-inch models, and luckily we have the 43-inch TV right here. So without any further ado, let's check it out. For design, the Realme Smart TV looks like a typical but still nice looking LED TV. It's got slim top and side bezels with a glossy finish, while the thicker chin has a brushed finish with the Realme branding printed in the middle. Below you'll find the infrared sensor and an LED indicator. At 43 inches, it's a decent size for small living rooms or bedrooms. You can put it either on a stand or mount it on the wall. Looking from the side, the TV looks chunky compared to more expensive TVs on the market, but that's not really much of a disadvantage. Looking at the back, we see 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB-A ports, AV ports, LAN port, digital audio out, and antenna. Found underneath are the 24-watt quad stereo speakers with Dolby Audio. The sound quality is crisp and clear. There is noticeable bass, but it's not that powerful. That's exactly why Realme is also offering the Realme 100-watt Bluetooth soundbar. The sound quality from the soundbar is excellent as it has a wide stereo sound. It's also crisp and clear and does not distort at higher volumes. The bass is also powerful enough to provide you with that deep rumbling feeling during action scenes or when playing bassy tracks. You can actually have a good time using this as your Bluetooth speaker for your smartphone or tablet as well. For the accessories, the Realme Smart TV comes with an AV cable and a wedge-shaped remote with a yellow circle accent in the directional pad. It connects to the TV via Bluetooth and has dedicated buttons for launching Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Prime, and Google Assistant. It also has a built-in microphone for voice commands. Now, powering the TV is a MediaTek ARM Cortex A53 quad-core CPU, Mali 470 MP3 GPU, which supports Chroma Boost technology, 1GB of RAM, and 8GB of storage. Setup is pretty easy. Since it is an Android TV, you can set it up like any other Android device, which means connecting it to the Wi-Fi and logging into your Google account. You can also do it the easy way and set up the device from the Google Home app to automatically transfer your credentials. Apps include Netflix, YouTube, YouTube Kids, Amazon Prime Video, a media player for browsing content from your external hard drive, Pango browser, MediaCast for casting content from your smartphone, and TV Manager, which is an optimizer for the TV. You can also add more apps that you might need from the Google Play Store. For a TV of this caliber, quality is actually quite good. It has a decent resolution at Full HD, has accurate colors, good viewing angles of up to 178 degrees, a peak brightness of 400 plus nits, and has support for HDR10 and HLG formats. Even though we're not getting really deep blacks here since it's not an OLED panel, the contrast is still okay for most content that we're gonna watch. The Realme Smart TV is great for binge watching on Netflix, YouTube, and other streaming platforms. You don't have to purchase an Android TV box or a Chromecast, and you can connect your external hard drive to watch your own video collections. So if you're on the hunt for a new Android-powered smart TV, make sure to put this one on your list. So that's it for our hands-on of the Realme Smart TV. What do you guys think about it? Let us know in the comments down below, and if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, this has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.